In today's project management landscape, demonstrating proficiency with specific tools is becoming increasingly valuable. Smartsheet, a powerful work execution platform, offers certifications to validate users' skills and expertise. For project managers, team leads, and administrators leveraging Smartsheet, earning one of these certifications can be a significant career booster. However, a common practical question arises. How much does the Smartsheet certification exam cost? As a project management expert, I can provide you with a clear breakdown of the costs associated with Smartsheet's official certification exams. It's important to note that Smartsheet's certification program has evolved, offering various levels designed for different user roles and expertise levels. The cost varies significantly depending on the specific certification you pursue. Understanding Smartsheet's certification tiers. Smartsheet offers a tiered certification program, catering to different levels of expertise and roles within an organization. This structured approach helps individuals choose a certification that best aligns with their current responsibilities and career aspirations. The main certification levels and their associated costs are Core Product Certification, cost per attempt, $149 USD. Who it's for? This is the foundational certification, ideal for anyone who regularly uses Smartsheet for day-to-day tasks. It validates fundamental knowledge of the platform's core features, such as creating and managing sheets, reports, dashboards, and forms. Think of it as demonstrating you're a proficient user who can navigate and utilize Smartsheet effectively in a collaborative environment. Value. It's a great starting point for demonstrating your basic competency and can be valuable for project contributors, team members, and light users. Project Management Certification, cost per attempt, $199 USD. Who it's for? This certification is specifically designed for project managers, team leads, and anyone responsible for planning, executing, and tracking projects within Smartsheet. It focuses on using Smartsheet's advanced project management capabilities, including Gantt charts, dependencies, critical path, resource management, if applicable, and project reporting. Value. For project management professionals, this certification directly validates your ability to leverage Smartsheet as a powerful project management tool, which can be highly beneficial on your resume and in your current role. System Administrator Certification, cost per attempt, $149 USD. Who it's for? This certification is aimed at individuals who manage Smartsheet deployments within an organization. This includes setting up users, managing security, configuring accounts, creating templates, and ensuring the platform runs smoothly for all users. Value. If you're an IT professional, operations manager, or dedicated Smartsheet administrator, this certification proves your ability to manage the platform effectively at an organizational level. Control Center Lead Certification, cost per attempt, $149 USD. Who it's for? Control Center is an advanced Smartsheet capability designed for standardizing project and program delivery at scale, often used by larger organizations. This certification is for those who lead the implementation and management of Control Center solutions. Value. For those in roles overseeing large-scale deployments or managing portfolios of standardized projects, this is a highly specialized and valuable certification. Control Center Blueprint Builder Certification, cost per attempt, $199 USD. Who it's for? This certification is for individuals who are responsible for designing and building the actual blueprints and automated workflows within Smartsheet's Control Center. It requires a deep understanding of Smartsheet's capabilities and how to configure them for consistent project delivery across an organization. Value. This is another specialized certification for those involved in advanced Smartsheet solution design and implementation. Smartsheet Professional Certification, cost per attempt, $300 USD. Who it's for? This is likely an evolution or higher tier certification that signifies a broad and deep understanding of Smartsheet's capabilities across various functions. It's for seasoned users who can demonstrate expertise in building complex solutions and driving significant value with Smartsheet. Value. This certification positions you as a Smartsheet expert, capable of solving a wide range of business problems using the platform. Smartsheet Architect Certification, Cost per attempt, $500. Who it's for? This is the pinnacle of Smartsheet certifications, targeting individuals who can design enterprise-level solutions, integrate Smartsheet with other systems, and implement highly complex workflows. It's for solution architects and consultants. Value. This certification signifies the highest level of expertise and is ideal for consultants or internal leaders driving large-scale digital transformation initiatives with Smartsheet. Additional costs and considerations. Beyond the exam fee itself, there are a few other aspects to consider. Learning and certification pass. Smartsheet offers a learning and certification pass, which provides access to instructor-led and self-paced content on Smartsheet University, along with 2 attempts at each certification exam included in the pass. The cost of this pass is not publicly listed and would likely depend on the specific package or organizational agreement. However, for those planning to take multiple exams or needing structured training, this pass can be a cost-effective option. Retake fees. The stated costs are per attempt. If you fail an exam, you will need to pay the full fee again for a retake, unless you are covered by a learning and certification pass that includes multiple attempts. Preparation materials. While Smartsheet University offers free learning paths and study guides, some individuals might opt for third-party courses or materials from platforms like Udemy or LinkedIn Learning. These come with their own costs, typically ranging from tens to hundreds of dollars. Time investment. Don't forget the cost of your time. Preparing for these exams requires dedicated study, which is an investment of your personal or professional time.